Hi there. This video is an overview on Hotelogics, a complete new hospitality and hotel management system that is being used by small and mid-sized hotel properties across the globe in 29 countries worldwide. So we log on to this trial account and I'll give you a quick run through on it. You can actually go to www.hotelogics.com and quickly set up a trial account for yourself. You can take a 15-day free trial, no credit card needed. You just need a basic PC and an internet connection to start using the system. So you'll just put in the security code and log in. So the first thing that comes up is open new cash counter. This is similar to a cash till or register. This is where you put in all your monies. So this keeps track of your transaction and all the monies go here. I'll select under cash counter and we'll hit continue. So what we'll see next is the front desk, the heart and the core of the system. Now this is a centralized solution which has a number of things, and we'll see that all these operations converge here. I'll just cancel the screen. This is not of relevance here. The front desk is a reservation chart of your hotel. It's a snapshot of the hotel for a month. It's a month view. Starting February 16, 2010 to March 18, 2010. It's a 31-day view with dates right here on top and the rooms and room types in this column here on left. You see the statuses of the rooms on different dates. The colors of course indicate what room is on what status. So there are not very many bookings created. It's a demo account. The interface actually lets you work on this reservation chart directly. I mean, you can actually draw your bookings here. So let me just click on the check-in date and drag it towards the checkout date. There's a reservation that is getting created and a quick reservation form has popped up. I can select the number of adults and children here. I can have the rate that I want to book this reservation on. So these are the rates that you can set up again on your depending on what hotel are you running. So these are the rates that you might have set up for your hotel. So we have all meal plans and we have bed and breakfast, or we have a room only rate. So this is a bed and breakfast that I have selected, and then I put in the name of the guest. So the moment I start typing, it will automatically pull out. Yeah. So the history is automatically pulled up here. So this is actually available across everywhere, wherever you have to put in the guest name. And then to confirm the reservation, I just hit reserve. That's it. That's how simple it is. And there, the reservation was just saved successfully here. And just like you see the reservations here, you can do a lot of other operations by clicking on these bookings. So I can right click and I can edit detail, and this booking will open in a tab, or I could go to maybe another booking that I might be working simultaneously on. So even though it's a web-based system and I'm on a normal regular connection, you'll notice that you can be working on multiple bookings at the same time, and these can be single bookings, travel agent bookings, corporate bookings, and the quick functions like the room operations, the today's check-in list, and payment trackers and cancel reservations are all available here. So and let me tell you, your most complex transactions on front desk can be managed here with fabulous ease. I can say if I want to move a reservation to a new room type, I just have to click on it and drag it and it'll ask me, do you want to really move this reservation? I'll say yes, and there you go. Okay, the reservation is open. So it will actually take care of things like these, that if the reservation is open, it will warn me. So let's close this booking first and now try to move this. There. Yes. And we have this booking on a new room type with new rates. So we have housekeeping here, we have sample restaurant, we have web booking engine that is integrated, which you can access from here. So if you go to hotelogics.com and set up a trial account, you will find your web reservation here. And then let me just show you what it looks like actually. So if I click here, I have already kept it open for you. You see this web reservation form. This you can actually put on your website. It's a neutral color which you can change as per your requirement, and if I create a booking here, it will automatically go to your front desk. Your housekeeping, you have points of sale which is touchscreen enabled. Let's see, we have a restaurant. Yes, so this has already got multiple tabs open on it. These are all orders that are running, and we have tables here, right here on top. I can be running orders on tables. Again, generate order, and we have a new order. Or I could be going back to the main screen and doing a room service. So only the rooms that are checked in would show up here. Yeah. So it's an extremely intuitive interface that you will see here, and you can have your restaurants and your housekeeping, your web bookings, your travel agents and corporates that you work with, your channel managements, your accounts, everything taken care of through the system. So this was a quick brief initial look at the system that I tried to give you now. I hope you would take the time to go through the videos that detail out each of these features and areas that may be of interest to you. Thank you for your time. Bye.